What's the meaning of band council? Band council. Band council.
Band council. Band council. A band council is a governing body that represents a First Nations community in Canada. It is responsible for making decisions on behalf of the community, managing its assets and resources, and promoting its economic and social development. The band council is usually composed of a chief and several councillors who are elected by members of the community. They work with the federal government and other partners to negotiate and implement treaties, develop community infrastructure, and provide services such as housing, education, health care, and social assistance. The Band Council plays a critical role in advancing the interests and well-being of First Nations communities and protecting their cultural heritage and traditions.